Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create tables in Notion. And trust me, you'll be amazed at how simple and powerful this is. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add basic tables for straightforward info and unlock the advanced database tables that give you next-level organization, including calendars, charts, and custom properties. Whether you're tracking a reading list, organizing projects, or planning out your week, you'll have all the tools at your fingertips. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the most straightforward method, adding a basic table to your Notion page. Once you're inside Notion and you've got your page ready, just type a /, that little sign key, and then write table. You'll instantly see the option to insert a table right there in your workspace. This is what Notion calls a simple table. Think of it as the digital version of a table you might make in Word or Google Docs. It's perfect for laying out data in rows and columns, like a quick comparison chart or an ingredients list. When this table pops up, you'll see a few default columns and rows. Feel free to click into any cell and start typing your data. For example, you could enter the names of items along the first column, and details, prices, or notes in the rows next to them. It's so intuitive. Just click and type. You can even double-click the headers to rename your columns. Maybe switch column 1 to task name or column 2 to due date. This part might take a few moments to set up, and don't worry if you need to add or remove rows and columns. Just use the small plus icons on the edge of the table. The simplicity here is great for a quick jot down of info, but keep in mind, this basic table is just static data. If you ever used a whiteboard grid or a paper chart, you'll get the vibe. Now, here's where things get exciting. There's a second kind of table in Notion, and it's a lot more powerful. Just like before, type our table, but this time, select Table View from the menu that pops up. What you're adding now is a full database. This isn't just a grid you can type into. It's a dynamic, interactive system for managing all sorts of information. Imagine an Excel sheet mixed with a tiny dashboard, custom built to keep everything organized. With a database table, you can add properties to each row. For instance, maybe you want to track who's responsible for a project, add due dates, attach files, select from drop-down options, or even check things off with a checkbox. To do that, just click plus add a property at the top. You'll see options like select, date, person, and more. Each row in your table becomes its own smart item, packed with all the details you need. If you're building something like a content calendar, inventory, or even a reading list, you'll really appreciate these features. But it doesn't stop there. Because it's a database, you can change how you view your table, switch to a calendar view, see your info as a Kanban board, or even make charts if you connect other tools. This is incredibly useful if you want to visualize tasks throughout the month or compare progress at a glance. And if your table gets crowded, use filters or sorting to narrow things down and find what matters most. Don't worry if this feels a bit advanced at first. Notion's setup guides you through each option, and you can always adjust things later without losing your data. So, whether you just need a quick table for a simple project or want to set up an advanced workspace to manage multi-step processes, Notion's got you covered with these two table types. Give both methods a try and see what fits your needs best. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about tables in Notion, or you've got a cool table setup you want to share, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.